Good afternoon guys, I'm Paul the Tech Giant and today I have found a small but very useful feature on this Sony A90J, and I believe it's a feature that LG should implement on their own TVs. So let's take a look at exactly what this feature is. So I've come to the software update section of the Sony TV and I'm going to press on software update. Now it has confirmed that there is a software update available, and at this point on an LG TV it would simply give us the version number and ask us do we want to update or not. But on this Sony it actually says what's new in this update. You can review what is updated and other info about the new software in another window, and just to the right just here it says what's new in this update. So let's click on that. And it takes us straight to another page, giving us the firmware number just there, which is great. Not only that, it actually gives us a date as well, so we can see if we are up to date with our firmware, because we're not all in the know about what these version numbers are. So that's great that it tells us an actual date, but more importantly, it actually says just there, benefits and improvements. It is telling us straight from the update page, with not having to search around on the internet, exactly what the update is doing. And it says benefits and improvements, implementation of certain catch-up service apps in the UK. That is so handy. So many of you guys out there do not know what the latest updates are about on the LG TVs, and you come to people like myself who has to go searching on the internet to find out this information, but not on a Sony. It tells you straight from the update page, and it's something I would love to see on LG TVs. And please let me know in the comments section if you agree and would like to see that on your LG TV. There you go then guys, just a short one today, and I'd also like you to hit me up in the comments section with any suggestions for videos that you'd like to see me do with this Sony A90J. And if you have enjoyed the video today, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please think about doing so, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.